Hello and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. DOT has reached our target range. I want to just start with making sure that you understand that this target range doesn't mean it will automatically turn around from here. We had a large target range already a while ago here between basically $3.98 and $3.46, but specified that a little bit further and were able to say, okay, prices are likely going to move into the area between $3.94 to $3.73. We're going to watch for a reaction in this area, especially to one of these levels. If there is no reaction, then okay, we can keep the door open to 346. I have to say below that the trap door opens quite a bit because can you see this trend channel, and the box overlaps with the trend channel down there. So if the trend channel breaks to the downside, I mean, that would not be good. I'm not sure where we might be heading. We can just double check that on another chart, because on the Bitfinex chart, I don't have enough chart history, but what other support areas would be there if price drops even further. But I just want to make sure that you understand this is not an automation that the price will turn around here. I think it has a good chance to do, but without a small reaction, anything that looks impulsive to the upside, we can't say. We haven't had a clean impulse in cryptos in a long time. You will remember even the movement after the June low, we counted that at best as a diagonal structure. I always warn about diagonals because they often fail. What we really want to see at some point is a proper impulse. Without an impulse to the upside, we can't really say that we get back into an uptrend. We can follow a diagonal if it's a 5-wave move, but we have to be very skeptical about it, and we have to expect it breaking. That's the best mindset to do or to follow. And at the moment, the assumption is that price is coming down in this 5th wave, which could end the bear market. In this 5th wave, we have a WXY structure, and in the Y wave, we have an A, B, C, and we're just working on the C wave. And it seems like it's about to complete like 5 waves down now. Now, 5 waves down means they are not reliable 5 anyway, right? This might extend out. This is just an idea of the microstructure, but this might only be anyway the first wave of a larger 5-wave move. Important to understand is that without a clear impulse to the upside, we can't really say that things are changing. So we highlighted in previous videos that against the resistance and against the B wave high anyway, that we focus on lower. The key level now to use to focus on lower, in my opinion, is the last wave 4 high here. That's at $4.19. If we see 5 waves above $4.19, followed by a 3-wave pullback, it would, we could make an assumption that a low is in, but at the moment I just don't see it. It's reached target now. It probably will drop further. And the next target below, I would see at $3.94 and then $3.73. But this is now the area. Now that we have arrived here, we need to keep the option open for a turnaround. But the thing is, the very first level that we highlighted here at $3.94, that's the 1-to-1 ratio. The 61.8 extension here. This is a less common target for a C wave. So at this stage, I would expect actually price to go down lower to the 100% extension. In fact, the way this is coming together, I would see this possibly even as a 1-2-1-2 setup. So meaning that it seems to be extending more directly to that 100% extension level, and the 3rd wave is still in the making, that we just have a 1-2-1-2 setup that's unfolding there, within the C wave. Because if the C wave already stops at 394, it would be let's call it less or a more unusual C wave. Typically, they would reach the 1-to-1 ratio at least, So keep the option open for lower. The level was highlighted, the relevant level. And what we can also do is, if we really have here a 1-2 setup, and this is a 3rd wave, we can calculate a target for a 3rd wave. But we probably have to use the 2.618 extension level because, that was reached just now, because it's a 1-2-1-2 setup. So here you can see how the 3.618 extension overlaps perfectly with the other fib level that we've just, the 1-to-1 ratio. Sorry, the 78.6 extension, So I think that's another level to watch here. $3.84. I will add that. So we've got few levels to watch. $3.94, $3.90, $3.94, $3.72, and $3.85 as an additional level just added now. That's my update about DOT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.